back together. Bekeli beke. My theme for today is start small and grow big. What? To pitch business here how? Bua and answer these 4 questions. Question number 1. What problem are you solving? Number 2. What is your unique selling point? So what's different about business here how? What's your story? Question number 4. What do you need? How do you make money?
My name is Remofilo Makasho. I am a maker of clothes and I'm also a digital marketer by profession.
My name is Salema and I'm the founder of Men Salema Enterprise.
My name is Simon Moyo. I'm from Alpha Lab Technologies.
And I am Releboga Petwani from African Poncho.
It's Kagiso from Iturele General Dealer.
Name is Onalena Mutamai. I am from Black Unknown.
Remember that success is not safe for those those who were born with a silver spoon in their mouth. It is earned through hard work, perseverance, and a passion that fuels your every step. Embrace the challenges, learn from them, and use them as a stepping stone towards your aspiration.
Work on your personal branding and personal mastery. So know your strengths, know your weaknesses. People have this thing. I know as entrepreneurs, we always start with, you just want to be everywhere and everywhere all the time. But align yourself with the spaces that do what you do.
So as from today, walk out of this tea as a flap. Follow the instruction, love what you do, accept that things don't work on your terms, and lastly, be professional in all that you do.
You know, when we got together, Raf, the features, the collabs, whatever, we were always verse ready. As a business, as an entrepreneur, be pitch ready. And then you also have to be intentional. So I did my first brand partnership. I was prepared.
There's someone there who was connecting and rigging the sound who says now was able to employ one more person. It's not just an artist, it's being able to impact people. So to me, to our team, I knew about Maftown before I knew about Northwest. So that then goes to, you know, the entrepreneurial capabilities, pioneering capabilities, but never undermine the amazing power that you are and your name. And thank you so much for everything you've done for your community. A legend in his lifetime.
Bona, every day as a business, as an entrepreneur, as a musician, but I show up anyway. So act despite thinking and feeling. You know, just show up and get what's yours. Thank you, love you, peace out.
Ladies and gentlemen, the pitching winner, walking away with the grand prize of 50,000 Rand right here in Mahikeng is Morekilori Mansalema! There it is, ladies and gentlemen. There is our winner.
So to the other entrepreneurs, I've been on this app for 4 to 5 years now. Grinding and grinding. So whatever you are doing, keep on doing it. One day you'll also get the benefits.
Online audience, thank you so much for joining us. Listen, if you are watching, we are coming to a township near you.